Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Starkey, and today we're going to react to top 5 most unbearable moments. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Please. Like us up! Like us up! Like us up! Like us up! Want to see more of my channel. I'm sorry.
Michigan for a traffic violation hearing. 26-year-old Emily House has been charged with disobeying a stop sign. A month earlier, House drove through this intersection as Officer Rob Kwasinski recorded the incident on his dash cam. And when the officer pulled House over, she seemed frustrated about the stop.
Am I the only one who doesn't like cops? It can't be only me. I can't be the only one who doesn't like cops. I can't be the only one who doesn't like cops.
You know I'm stopping you today?
Why are you stopping me today?
Red light as I was coming down the street.
It's actually a stop sign.
Okay. I'll be right back with you. So you have 14 days to take care of the citation, okay? The information to the on the bottom of the citation.
Cool, hand it over.
Well, there's repercussions for your actions.
Cool. Hope you get shot today. Let's go.
She's not. Is she on a period or something?
Go home. You still got the ticket though, right? That's unfortunate.
I think she's on a period or something like the way she's just pissed off right now. Come on, girl, you can't be pissed off for no reason.
House and Officer Kwasinski meet again remotely in front of Magistrate Donald Chisholm to discuss next steps in the case.
Judge to judge.
Well, good. I was just conducting neighborhood patrols down the street of Stanford when I observed a 2018 Kia Sportage, red in color. No
I don't really know cars like that.
Stop sign, like right through the stop sign.
I'm gonna keep it in the back. I don't really know cars like that.
As I came back with the citation, Miss House told the officer that she hopes I get shot today after presenting the citation.
Miss House, it's your turn.
Awesome. There were short shrubs, and the officer, I would say, was more than
she's on a period, like, nah.
2.5 streets back with the shrubs. I don't think he possibly saw that, but I slowed down. I guess it wasn't.
She must be on a period or something, like.
But it was enough that I even remember looking left and right, and then continued. And then we were talking, and he said I ran the red light. I corrected him and said it was a stop sign, and then he walked away and came back with a ticket without any more explanation to where I could talk and say, I kind of think you were wrong here. He was already holding the ticket in his hand, and I was upset, and I said that.
I have never, ever heard of such egregious conduct by a driver.
I thought it was very wrong that I wasn't able to say anything.
Unbelievable. You're trying to justify.
I think it's unbelievable that he said something wrong. I corrected him, then I don't get to say. I get slapped with a ticket for saying we're talking about the stop sign here.
He's making a point, though. She's making a point, though.
I don't think that's fair either.
From judge to judge, she's making a point, though. Like, come on, guys, you don't be playing with her like that. She's a female, man. You don't know what she's going through, man. You can't just go and be talking shit.
Can't see you.
Because they had those nice, smart shrubs all the way across.
Oh, we have one-way shrubs. Berkeley's got one-way shrubs. You can see through them, but nobody else can.
That's not what I'm saying, Your Honor.
It is what you're saying.
We're looking at half shrubs.
Hey, nobody has come Your Honor before.
Edging out, and I'm like, you're
chat, nobody has come Your Honor before.
So far back.
Chat.
I don't think that's fair.
Sometimes call me Just Starkey. Sometimes call me Your Honor. All right.
Is ready to wrap things up.
Don't play with me.
$50. If I could raise the fine, I would. If I could raise the points, I would. But that's not available.
Oh, sounds great.
Your conduct to the officer,
sir. So I guess
the one is hard.
Sounds good. Unbelievable.
The woman is gangster, bro.
Well, I guess I don't have to listen what you have to say since you weren't listening to my side.
You're responsible. Pay your ticket. We're done.
See ya.
I hope not.
Just pay your ticket.
House paid her fine of $150.
$150
is now closed.
Hey, can someone donate me $150? I really appreciate it, man.
Next, we head to Canton.
Hey, who can donate me $150 in the chat? That person will be a W.
25-year-old Seth Adkins has been convicted of assaulting a family member. 2 years earlier, police say Adkins got into a physical altercation with his grandmother's husband and was arrested and charged.
His grandmother's husband. So
He
his
pled
grandpa. Why
guilty,
did you just say
and
grandpa?
a judge placed him on 10 years
Why did you just say
probation
his
with
grandpa?
several conditions, including that he report to probation monthly, pay court costs and fees, and complete community service hours. But when Atkins failed to follow through on his conditions, he was taken back into custody. Today, he appears from the county jail without an attorney before Judge Chris Martin to hear if his probation will be revoked. Atkins has requested permission to represent himself.
I am a man, my brother, my brother, I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm not listening, I'm not listening, I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a goddamn man. Come on, keep quiet, I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a man.
All right, Mr. Atkins, in your own words, without telling me anything about these allegations or your case, why it is that you want to represent yourself.
I don't really trust lawyers anymore.
I don't really trust lawyers anymore.
I'm more than qualified to represent myself.
Hey, me, I don't trust anybody, so
So tell
I'm
me
not
why
even
you
gonna
don't
talk.
trust lawyers.
I don't trust my mom, I don't trust my dad, I don't
Book
trust
says
my
that they're bought and
future
paid for.
kids, my future wife. I don't trust
Good book
nobody,
being
bro.
what
Only
book?
person I trust is God and myself.
And where does it say in the Bible that attorneys are bought and paid for?
Do you want me to get it for you?
Yes.
Atkins steps away to retrieve his Bible. But when he returns, he seems to have softened his stance.
It's not in the way that all of them are bought and paid for, but I know how bureaucracy works, and men under the law search out for their own righteousness.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. You said that that's what the Bible says, and that's one of your grounds for why you want to represent yourself. You read to me the book of the Bible, the verse, the chapter.
Then-
We've been talking about self-righteousness and bureaucracy.
Atkins takes another look in his Bible, but comes up empty.
So the
Sorry,
verse has
bro.
been
Sorry,
taken
bro.
out
Sorry,
of
boy.
this Bible.
Sorry, boy.
In the Hebrew Bible, it's in there. I know where it's at. If I had my scrolls and stuff, I could show you
Where are those at?
at my house. So if you want to give me a court-appointed attorney, go ahead.
Do you want a court-appointed attorney?
Can I just ask you a question, Judge Martin?
You can, but I don't want you to say anything that could be used against you in court. Okay? All right, go ahead.
You know, I'm not one to
That's one.
let people just keep pushing me around. You know what I mean?
The tough ass nigga. Stop
I do
playing with
break
him, the
out.
tough ass
I mean, I
nigga.
do lose my cool sometimes, but it's never
If
been
he loses his cool, he's
it's
gonna
never
beat
been
you all
without-
niggas.
justification. You know what I mean?
Well, Mr. Atkins, today's not the hearing for that. And so the only issue before you and me right now, Mr. Atkins, is who's going to represent you? Is it you? Or is there going to be an attorney that I appoint to represent you?
No, I guess. Will you please appoint me an attorney?
Yes, I will. I will do that.
Yeah, this is what I'm hearing it too.
Later that day, Atkins appears again before Judge Martin, this time with his new court-appointed attorney, Richard Schmidt.
Mr. Atkins, I want you to work with Mr. Schmidt. All right. He's a very good attorney and one who's also very well versed in scripture.
If his probation is revoked, Atkins could be sentenced to anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison. He remains in jail, and his case is pending.
Damn.
We head to
Damn.
Hillsboro, Texas, for jury selection. 39-year-old Christopher Loud has been charged with burglary of a habitation with intent to commit assault or theft. 14
Like
months
this
earlier,
imprisonment.
police say Loud broke into the home of his 87-year-old grandmother, Bobby Joe Loud, and knocked her
This story is about
unconscious.
grandma.
Bobby Joe suffered a head injury causing vision impairment. Loud was arrested and released on a $100,000 bond. He pled not guilty. Today is the first day of jury selection
Hey,
for Loud's
so I
trial.
made this far. Make sure you guys
And with
like, comment,
80
and
potential
subscribe.
jurors
Please.
seated in the gallery, deputies escort him into the courtroom. Loud, who is not wearing cuffs since he's currently free on bond, approaches the defense table and does this.
Ha! Ha!
Without warning, Loud winds up and
Oh my
punches his
gosh.
63-year-old attorney,
No,
Matt
stop,
Mahoney,
stop.
right in the
How
eye.
dare you?
Deputies
dare you
immediately
punch my
restrained the
fellow
defendant
judge?
with a little help from District Attorney Michael Pratt.
Nah. How dare you punch
Two
my fellow
additional
judge?
deputies arrive as a court reporter checks on
How dare
Mahoney.
you punch my fellow judge? Like, I'm not even playing
Loud
with you. Why
was
would you
taken
do
into
that?
custody and charged with aggravated assault on a public servant, causing serious bodily harm. Mahoney suffered
Nah,
a
it's a rated
fractured
like 5
vertebral
years, 6 years
socket,
imprisonment.
resulting in permanent loss of sight in his left eye. Judge Lee Harris declared a mistrial, and after Mahoney removed himself from the case, Loud hired a new attorney. 4 months later, Loud's burglary case went to trial. He was convicted and sentenced to 60 years in prison. For the attack on his lawyer, Loud was tried, found guilty, and given a life sentence to run consecutively with his burglary sentence. Mahoney appeared at the assault sentencing and said he felt no anger toward Loud, only pity. For the attack on his grandmother, Loud would become eligible for parole after serving 28 years, when he'd be 68 years old.
What if you could make a song using only your voice? Let's start with the drums. I'm gonna hit drums and click cover. Yes. This is good. Okay, perfect. I feel like the song needs a rhythm guitar. Changing it to guitar. I'm gonna type in rhythm guitar.
Have a seat in the back. Speak up again. You're getting 30 more days. I promise you. That's not a threat. It's a promise.
This judge is not here to play.
Good.
Hey, you don't give a
Tell
fuck.
the court. Bring him up.
We're in Trenton, Michigan for a sentencing. 24-year-old Tyarius Bryant has pled guilty to breaking and entering. 2 years earlier, Bryant broke into a car and stole items inside. He was arrested and released on a personal recognizance bond. Today, Bryant appears before Judge Michael McNally to hear his sentence. But things do not get off to a good start when Bryant appears holding a baby.
Hey, bringing your kid to court because you know you're going to go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not.
How you
Don't
bring your
play
kid
games
into
with
court?
me. We'll call somebody to get the child.
Exactly. That's what I was going to say. As a fellow judge, we can.
After the defendant's
Yeah.
girlfriend arrives
Some
to pick up
connections.
the baby, the judge recalls the case. Bryant's represented by attorney Michael
Was it
Carmen.
trying to use the baby as a guilt?
Since January
That the judge will reduce whatever.
earn $340 a week. They'll lose that job if he doesn't go to jail.
You should think about this things before we go out and steal. You got a retail fraud 23. We're just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. Now you're breaking into cars.
The thief breaking into
You
cars.
might become a professional thief.
Judge McNally then announces the
Guys, I don't
sentence.
like thieves. That's a story for another day, but I don't
40
like
days
thieves.
jail.
40 days in jail, plus $725 in fines and court costs.
40 days in jail is not a bad thing.
Good
A way
luck
to
to you,
experience
as well.
a new life, like new community, new people,
Bryant is taken into holding,
new situations.
but he does not
It's
go
gonna be
quiet.
war, but like, just keep your back safe. As long as your back is safe, yeah, okay.
Judge McNally checks in with the deputies.
You tell him one more word, I'll tell him he's gonna get 30 more days. Okay.
When he
Let me keep
returns,
quiet.
the judge addresses Bryant, who's been brought back into the courtroom.
Have a seat in the back. Speak up again. You're getting 30 more days. I promise you. That's not a threat. It's a promise.
It's a prom.
Good. Come here. Be up to court. Bring him up. Oh, well.
Bryant begins to resist. And the deputies take
Who
him
does
to
he
the
think he is?
floor.
Merlin?
Run over, flat. Knock it off. Mr. Bryant. Go bad from the bad. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except
Oh, who does he think he is,
One
dude?
more word, and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
Who does he think he is, dude?
Enough.
Like,
Just control yourself. Stop stealing.
Why do we choose make things worse?
Bryant was not charged for his outburst and served his 40 days in jail.
No, like Roshi, why?
Next, we go to Ypsilanti, Michigan for a pretrial hearing. 28-year-old Brianna Likes has been charged with fourth-degree child abuse. A year and a half earlier, police say Likes' 4-year-old son walked out of the house one night while Likes was inside sleeping. The boy was found by an officer who was patrolling the neighborhood. Likes, a single mother, was arrested, released on $10,000 bond. Today, she's set to appear remotely before Judge Elaine Washington to discuss next steps in the case. But as the hearing begins, Likes appears to be having trouble with her camera.
Ms. Likes, could you please unmute and say your name and turn on your video?
That's public
Yes,
defender
what
Dobby
do you
Lebo.
expect? What do you expect?
Video, ma'am?
It's on.
What do you expect? She's old, Mark.
As Judge Washington moves on to another case, Likes seems to have figured out her video issue and remains on the line. While she waits for her case to be recalled, the defendant can be seen smoking a cigarette, enjoying a snack.
She didn't give a fuck.
Leaving a colorful note in the hearing's
She didn't give
section.
a fuck. She's living her best life. She said she don't give a fuck, nigga.
Giving her camera the middle finger.
Come on, lady. Not today.
Step through. I'll swipe from behind.
26
Nah,
minutes
nah,
after
nah.
passing Likes' case,
30 years
Judge
in jail.
Washington returns,
No cap.
and she is not happy.
30 years in jail. 30 years in jail. 30 years in jail.
You should talk to your client because we're going to do a review of the video from today's court date, and if she's been given the middle finger to the court, she's going to be held in contempt of court. And she's going to do some...
I didn't give the middle finger to the court at all.
Oh,
I'm
that's
sorry
bad.
if it looked like I did, but I didn't.
All right, well,
You
I'm
did.
telling you what we're getting ready to do.
Yeah, and I'm also sorry about the language that was put into the chat that was not meant to go inside of the chat.
Now, please stop
And I do
talking.
apologize.
She's just pissing us off, bro.
Miss Likes, please come to the camera.
Pissing us off, bro. Like she's pissing me off. She don't even give a fuck.
Please.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes. Miss Likes, is it true that you put this is bull in the chat?
You saw it.
Not
Why
going to,
actually?
yes.
Is it also true that you put up a middle finger at the camera, ma'am?
Sure.
Ish. She
That's a
testing.
yes or no. That's not a sure.
Testing as the judge. Because we the judge, we don't play around. You look at me like I'm always running around joking, but when I'm serious, I'm serious.
When does she want to
Like
I do
when
apologize
we
for
judges, we
doing
are
what I
serious. We are
did,
serious. So don't play with us
and
like that.
It won't ever happen again.
She don't even give a... Is she on a period? Nah, 30 days in
10
jail.
days in the Washtenaw County Jail.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank
gonna
you.
hold that in abeyance. Defendant can do an impulse control class to purge her contempt and not do jail time.
Thank you, Honor. I'm sure Ms. Likes very much appreciates that.
Thank you.
To avoid a 10-day jail sentence and purge the contempt charge from her record, Likes must complete an impulse control class within 2 months.
Nah, the
prior
judge
to
is
her next
soft.
court
The judge
appearance.
is soft.
She
Just rather give it
remains
10
on
days in
bond,
jail.
and her case is pending.
Judge is soft. Judge is soft. Judge is soft. Judge is soft. I mean, that could have been me. You suspect me, get a West. That I'm not gonna lie. If you suspect me, get a West. Judge is too soft. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Peace out. See you guys in my next video.